This is OldManBarnes. Let's talk about some connections between the liver, gallbladder, pancreas, and duodenum. Kind of an amazing network. The liver is one of your major detox organs. Blood is broken down here. Bile is formed. Other waste products enter into the hepatic ducts. Some of this can be stored and concentrated temporarily in the gallbladder. By the way, this is the cystic duct, and then the uniting of the hepatic duct and the cystic duct is the common bile duct right here, as well as picking up emulsifying agents from the liver. The pancreas also secretes exocrine digestive substances, lipases, proteinases, nucleases, and especially in response to cholecystokinin, the hepatopancreatic sphincter within the ampulla can relax and allow the duodenal papilla to release the contents of the liver, gallbladder, and pancreas into the duodenum. One other thing that I learned is that the bile from the liver can also have an alkalizing effect as well. Secretin is another hormone that causes alkalizing bicarbonate from the pancreatic ducts to aid in alkalizing the contents of the duodenum. Another neat feature is that in addition to the acidic nature of the stomach, the action on proteins, the duodenum also gets an opportunity to work on proteins, except in an alkalizing environment. Let's review one more time. We got the gallbladder, and we've got hepatic ducts from the liver, the cystic duct leading from the gallbladder. Both of these unite to form the common bile duct, which then can merge with the pancreatic duct. Another thing I forgot to mention is that there are gallstones. There seem to be lots of different points at which these gallstones can get hung up. There are apparently a couple of sphincters possibly right in this area as well. So gallstones can possibly cause many problems. One of those could be pancreatitis. If that blocks the opening of the pancreas, that's not a good deal. This is OldManBarnes, just thinking about a few of your major digestive organs and systems and how they work together. Keep coming back. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share on YouTube. That's what creates a community.